Welcome back to the English class. Today I have a quick lesson for you, a few expressions you need to know when you're speaking English. Bienvenue tout le monde. Je dis à nous une leçon qui est très courte pour vous. C'est quelques expressions qu'on a besoin qu'on ait lors parler anglais. Are you ready? Let's move on. The first expression is to get on somebody's nerves. Can you repeat after me? To get on somebody's nerves. Okay? Là, moun ap emmerde ou, moun ap fò fâché, moun ap déranger ou. You get on my nerves. Ou déranger. Okay? For example, we could say, every time you do that, you get on my nerves. Every time you say that, you get on my nerves. Chaque fois fait ça, ou déranger, ou ban problème, ou énerver. Every time you mention that, you get on my nerves. That's the first expression. Let's go to the second one. The second expression is to call someone's attention to. To call someone's attention to. Lo attirer attention moun son bagay. Okay? So let's say, for example, he called my attention to the sign on the window. He called my attention to the sign on the window. He called my attention to the sign on the window. Li te attire attention sous signe qui gagne sous fenêtre là. Okay? Maybe there's a sign on the window and I didn't pay attention to it. So he called my attention to the sign on the window. Let's say another example. She called my attention to the scar on her lower back. She called my attention to the scar on her lower back. Li te attire attention sous cicatrice qui gagne dans dos là. She called my attention to the scar on her lower back. Li te attire attention sous cicatrice li gagne dans dos là. Let's go for the third expression. The third one is to change one's mind. To change one's mind. Can you please repeat after me? To change one's mind. L'on moun changer d'avis, moun nan changer l'idée, moun nan kon bagay li ta pral faire et puis soudainement, li décide li pa faire encore. Okay? For example, for some reason I changed my mind. For some reason I changed my mind. Pour quelque raison que m'pa ka djou, mwen changer idée. Okay? Or you can say, I changed my mind. I am not going to the concert anymore. I changed my mind. I am not going to the concert anymore. So that was the three expressions I wanted to teach you today. C'est trois expressions ça que je voulais enseigner. Jeudi, don't forget to like if you enjoy this English class. Subscribe so you can notified for every lessons, every new lessons, and leave a comment below. Share it to your friend. I will see you next week.